Did you know some of these hidden features in Badoo app? Well, Badoo offers several features that enhance user privacy and control, some of which are hidden or less obvious. Invisible mode, a Badoo Premium feature, allows users to browse profiles without being seen and also gives options to hide online status or browse privately. Additionally, users can manage their location visibility and public search preferences. For those concerned about safety, requesting selfies and reporting suspicious profiles are also the option. So you can use invisible mode if you have the premium. You can also go through private browsing to view or browse profiles. Similarly, as Badoo prioritizes user safety with features like the ability to request selfies from matches, report suspicious profiles, and unmatch or block users as well. Hope this video helped. To like and subscribe.